Today I am going to discuss about forestry terminology. First of all, what is forestry? Forestry is the science and craft of creating, managing, using, conserving and repairing forests, woodlands and associated resources for human and environmental benefits. Forestry is practiced in plantations and natural stands. The science of forestry has elements that belong to the biological, physical, social, political, and managerial sciences. Now, the terms used in forestry. First of all, silviculture. Silviculture is the art, science, and practices of establishing, tending, and reproducing forest stands of desired characteristics. It is based on knowledge of species characteristics and environmental requirements. Next one is allowable cut. Allowable cut is the volume of wood that can be cut during a given period without exceeding the forest net growth. Next is aspect. Compass direction towards which a slope faces is called. Now afforestation. The establishment of a stand of trees or forest in an area where there was no previous tree cover is called afforestation. All aged or uneven aged stand. A forest stand composed of trees of different age groups and sizes is called all aged or uneven aged stand. Next one is block. Block is an area of land or timber that has been defined for management purposes. One block may be composed of stands or different species of edges. Next is bole. Bole, the main trunk of the tree is called bole. Basal area, a cross-sectional area in square feet of the trunk of one tree at breast height, that is above 4.5 feet from the ground. Biological diversity or biodiversity refers to the number and type of plants and animal species in a given area as well as the interactions among them. Bark, the tough exterior covering of a woody root or stem that protects the tree from injury caused by insects and other animals, by other plants, by disease and fire, is the bark. Canopy. Canopy is a layer or multiple layers of branches and foliage at the top or crown of a forest tree. Next one is clear cut harvest, a harvesting and regeneration method that removes all trees within a given area. Now coppice. When the certain plants or seedlings are cut from near ground level, the produce a flush of fresh shoots is called coppice. Next is clonal. It is a method of propagation in which trees are raised by grafting clones of superior phenotypes of 2-3 old seedlings. Now the cover. Any plant that intercepts raindrops before they reach the soil or that holds soil in place is called cover. Next is crown. The branch and foliage at the top of a tree is called crown. Diameter at breast height, DBH. Diameter at breast height of a tree measured at breast height is standard 4.5 feet above the ground level. Next is dendrology. The identification and systematic classification of trees is called dendrology. The edge. Transition between different types or ages of vegetation is called edge. Erosion. The wearing away of land or soil by action of wind, water or ice is called erosion. Fire break. Any non-flammable barrier used to slow or stop fire is called fire break. It can be either mechanical or any vegetation which could be used as fire break. Next is girdling. Girdling as a physical cutting or disruption of the cambial sap from within the tree. Girdling by human, animal or insect can often kill a tree. Habitat. Habitat is an area in which a specific plant or animal can naturally live, grow and reproduce. For wildlife, habitat is the combination of food, water, cover and space. Hardwoods. Hardwood are the trees with broad, flat leaves as opposed to conifers or needle trees. Improvement cut. An intermediate cut made to improve the form, quality, health or wildlife potential of the remaining stand is called improvement log. The stem of a tree or a length of a stem or branch after felling and trimming is called log. Lopping, the cutting of branches or even young stems is called lopping. Mensuration. Mensuration is the measurement and calculation of volume, growth and development of individual trees or stands of trees and their timber products is called mensuration. Nature stand. A stand of trees grown from nature seed fall or sprouting called nature stand. Non-timber forest product NTFE. Any product derived from the forest that is not timber. For example, gums, resins, oils, tans, dyes, medicinal herb, mushroom, berries, ferns, or any other material which is not timber, which could be produced from the forest is called NTFP or non-timber forest products. Pruning means the cutting of branches from the bole in order to maintain the quality of the timber. Plantation. Planted pine or hardwoods typically in an ordered configuration such as equally spaced rows is called plantation. Poles. Trees from 5 to 7 inch in diameter at breast height are called poles. Pulpwood. Wood used in the manufacture of paper, fireboard or other wood fiber products is called pulpwood. Pulpwood size trees are usually a minimum of 4 inch in diameter. Pure stand. A timber stand in which at least 75% of the trees in the main crown canopy are of single species is called pure stand. Pollarding. This is a process in which the branch of a plant is cut off in order to produce a flush of new shoots is called reforestation. Re-establishment a forest by planting or seeding an area from which forest vegetation has been removed is called reforestation. Regeneration cut, a cutting strategy in which old trees are removed while favorable environmental conditions are maintained for the establishment of a new stand of the seedling is called regeneration cut. Reproduction, the process of forest replacement or removal through natural sprouting or seeding or by the planting of a seedling or direct seeding is called reproduction. Root collar, the transition zone between stem and root at the ground line of a tree called root collar. Rotation, the number of years required to establish and grow trees to a specified size, product or condition of maturity is called rotation. For example, pine rotation may be range from 20 years for pulpwood and more than 60 years for saw timber. Shelter belt is a wide zone of trees, shrubs and grasses planted in rows usually at a right angle to the direction of a prevailing wind called belt. Seed orchard are plantation which may raised exclusively with the aim of producing seed. Species, group of related organisms having common characteristics and capable of interbreeding is called species. Thinning, a tree removal practice that reduce tree density and competition between trees in a stand is called thinning. Windbreak is a protection of plantation in a certain area against strong winds is called wind. Thanks. Thanks for watching.